Good day, learners. This is Easy Engineering. This time we're going to talk about quantifying acid and base reactions by titration. One famous laboratory method is titration. Chemists use this method to quantify the unknown concentration of the solution by reacting it with solution of known concentration. In an acid-base titration, the acid may be the solution with known concentration and reacts it with base of unknown concentration to determine its concentration or vice versa. So titration is done just like this. Suppose you have a known concentration of sodium hydroxide and you want to determine the unknown concentration of HCl, so you do titration. You put the HCl solution of volume 50 ml in an Erlenmeyer flask and you fill the burette with sodium hydroxide solution up to the 0 mark. You need an indicator called Phenolphthalein and put 3 drops to the Erlenmeyer flask. The purpose of this indicator is for us to know the endpoint. Now you start your titration. Several times later, you notice that there is a temporary color light pink change when the sodium hydroxide solution drops. This means that we are now going to reach the endpoint. The endpoint is a permanent color change from colorless to light pink. When you put more sodium hydroxide, exceeding the needed sodium hydroxide for the endpoint, then your solution is now overrun. Another term used in titration is equivalence point. This is the time when the amount mole H plus ions has reacted with the same amount mole of OH minus ions. This appears as the temporary color change in your titration, whereas endpoint has slightly excess amount mole OH minus and appears as permanent color change in your titration. You can learn more titration techniques when you have your actual titration. Actually, in reality, we cannot tell when or where the equivalence point, so we need to reach the endpoint. And the volume of sodium hydroxide used is what we use in our calculation. Here, we assume that the amount mole of sodium hydroxide from the endpoint is equal to the amount mole sodium hydroxide to equivalence point for us to solve the unknown HCl concentration. So let us try solving some problems. In order to standardize an HCl solution, you put 50 ml of it in an Erlenmeyer flask with a few drops of phenolphthalein as an indicator and fill the burette with 0.152 molarity sodium hydroxide up to the 0 mark. Then you use 33.32 ml sodium hydroxide for you to reach the endpoint. So what is the concentration of HCl? First, we need to write the balance equation. So we have the volume used in titration, which is 33.32 ml. We then find the mole of sodium hydroxide. So we have Then from the balance equation, we can convert the amount mole sodium hydroxide to amount mole HCl. So we have Then we can compute the concentration of HCl. We have Hence, the concentration of HCl is 0.1016 molarity. So that's it. That is all for now. I hope you learned something today. Once again, this is Easy Engineering.